Do you want to be your own esthetician and save some money at home? Well, here's WaxFan's Intelligent Roll-On Wax Kit. This kit includes everything you will ever need to wax at home. Beginning with, of course, the roll-on wax warmer, waxing strips, the wax in honey, your cords to plug in your warmer, and to keep your skin safe, an after wax treatment. This kit comes in a range of different colors, including black, pink, purple, and green. But of course, to match my theme, I had to go with this beautiful light green color. Inside of the warmer, there is another wax, which is absolutely amazing. And if I hadn't already convinced you enough, here's how wonderful the wax works. Now I've started the process, gliding the wax in the direction of hair growth. Then I apply my strips and rip the opposite direction. Lastly, I applied the after wax treatment. Here's the before, and here's a beautiful after. If you're anything like me, you're gonna love waxing at home.